Welcome to Sativo Saturday. Hey guys, it's my favorite month of the year. It's October. Chef Ricardo's cooking up a vegan tequila sauce for a crispy tempura squash.
Today we want to make Sherry Citrus Vinaigrette. Everything in the blender except the oil. Half of the shallots, Dijon Mustard, 1 tablespoon on honey, half cup on lemon juice, half cup on lime juice, half cup on Sherry Vinegar, pinch on salt, 2 ounces on Tequila Sativo. Now we want to blend it and just put the last on the olive oil. So just make sure it's 1 cup on a bowl. We're adding the shallots, 2 lime zest, 2 lemon zest. That's the recipe for one of my best friends, Chef Luis. Enjoy guys.